Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's check out one of the coolest toys I've ever seen. I must say, when I first saw this, I was super excited. I grew up when Game Boys first came out. Yes, I'm aging myself, but quite frankly, I don't care. This toy is phenomenal. It has so many different features on it, from the big buttons that actually say the numbers or the colors or the letters, depending on how many times you press them. It has a few things like the game that you press in and then the screen lights up and plays music. And then it also has a few different things like the on-off button on the side, and also a few different features like the Tetris pieces that kind of slide up and down, and then also the big clicky button on the side, which makes noises too. So it is super adorable. I love the fact that the battery case is secure. You don't have to worry about that. I love that this is great for little hands, but also sturdy enough to fall from a high chair or a stroller and still be good to go. I think it's great. And that's my point of view.